Homework sheet 21 for year 12, question 4, a walkthrough. So the first thing that they ask you to do is expand p plus q to the power of 5. So a normal binomial expansion. So I always start by listing these here. 5 choose 0, 5 choose 1, 5 choose 2, choose 3, choose 4, choose 5. Then I start with my powers of p to the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and then q to the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I always work like that, listing one, listing the next, listing the other. I just find it's easier in that I don't make a mistake. Over here, I've just simplified that. We know q to the 0 is going to be 1, so I don't need to bother putting that in. Same down here. P to the 0 is equal to 1, so I haven't included that over here. The only thing to watch out for is when you do it in this style is just to watch your signs. I know everything is positive here, so I haven't worried too much, but do pay attention if you've got negatives in there. That simplifies to this, p to the 5 plus etc. I won't read that all out to you. I think you can hopefully see it. Part B talks about the probability of rolling a 4. Let me just check on the question. Give me 1 second and I'll be back with you. Yeah, question 4, part B says using the first 3 terms of the binomial expansion from part A or otherwise, find the probability that the number 4 is rolled at least 3 times. So this is what they like to do. They like to cross your pure over with your applied. So they're crossing it over with your stats here. So if we let P be the probability that we get a 4 and Q be represent that we don't get a 4. So the probability of getting a 4 is a quarter because it's a 4-sided die. I'm trying to imagine what that looks like. So the probability that you don't get a 4 is 3/4. So I'm just going to replace P and Q with a quarter and 3/4 in the expansion for the first 3 terms. There's the first 3 terms. There's me replacing P with a quarter and me replacing Q with 3/4. If you expand that all out, I haven't actually done the expansion there, but if you calculate that all out, you should end up with the right answer.